Slack is where work happens. And when you work in Slack, that work happens in channels. While email can be great for many things, it's often difficult to keep your team on track and projects moving forward. Juggling endless email chains and remembering to CC the right people is just the start of it. With channels, you can assemble the right people in one space and organize around a common goal, whether that's a project, topic, or team. When you need to get the group's attention, you can easily notify them, get aligned, and move on to the next task. Channels aren't confined to working with just people at your organization. You can also create shared channels to work with external partners, clients, and vendors. So no matter who you're working with, everyone's in the loop and on the same page. All the messages and files in a channel are saved and searchable. You can quickly find conversations from any channel within your company. You'll spend less time tracking down people to answer questions and more time getting work done. Discover a whole new way of working with channels in Slack.